In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a loan in Zoho Books. Let's dive right in and start by accessing the banking module. This is where you'll manage your bank accounts and transactions, making it the perfect place to kick things off for accurately recording your loan. Once you've navigated to the banking module, you'll want to locate the specific bank account where the loan funds are incoming. This step is crucial because you'll be tying the funds into the right account, ensuring everything is accurately reflected in your financial records. With the correct bank account selected, the next step requires you to click on Add Transaction. This option allows you to input any new financial activity related to your account, and since we're dealing with loan proceeds, you'll want to choose Deposit from Other Accounts. This selection is important as it helps the system understand that the money coming in is not from a regular income source, but rather from a loan, a liability. Moving along, you'll need to specify where these funds are coming from. Here, it's essential to select your loan payable account as the From account. This is crucial because it makes sure that your loan is correctly categorized as a liability. Loan payable accounts are specially designed to track any amounts you owe, and by linking the deposit to this account, you're maintaining an accurate picture of both your income and debt obligations. Now, let's proceed to enter some specific details about the loan. You'll need to input the date the loan was received and the exact amount of the loan. Be precise with these entries, as they ensure that the loan reflects accurately in your financial records. The date will help you track when the loan funds came into your business, while the amount will determine what needs to be repaid over time. Finally, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. It's always wise to double-check that everything is correct. This includes the bank account selected, the from and to accounts, as well as the date and amount. Once you're confident that everything is spot on, go ahead and hit that Save button. Saving the transaction will update your records, reflecting the new loan amount in your bank account and your liability in the loan payable account. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a loan in Zoho Books. This straightforward process ensures that your books are always up to date, allowing you to remain on top of your financial obligations. By maintaining accurate records, you're not just meeting accounting standards, you're also empowering yourself with the financial insights needed to make informed business decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Zoho Books tips and tricks.